Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, please let's move your hands together on the way back. Please, if those hands are not feeling you, please let's jump your hands together on the way back. At this point in time, I want to call my brother, my friend, who is going to do justice on those mics. Talk about MC Olu.
Ladies and gentlemen, without further waste of time, we have been told that the happening of today is already within the premises. While we enjoy the interlude from the band, we would like to now receive the newest celebrant, the 45th man into our midst. I'm sure the traditional troupe, please You should go outside to bring in the best celebrant. Alright, let's go. I need some music, please. Music. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, shall we rise up, please? Let's rise up to receive Chief Doctor Ambassador Dion Osagie.
Ambassador.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is the celebrant today. 40th! This is a triumphant victory. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Chief Doctor Ambassador Dion Osagie. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Ambassador Dion is accompanied with the Osagie himself, the Osagie of Okaro. Of course, the legend himself from the Osagie Kingdom. Ambassador. Everybody put your hands together for him, yes, that is the celebration for today. The world president. The great humanitarian president.
That's it.
Ladies and gentlemen, the world best philanthropist. Chief Ambassador Dion Osagie, 40 years school of Negro, a man and love dancing. I present to the world, Chief Doctor Ambassador Dion Osagie. I present to you. Blue ball, your attention is needed. Thank you so much, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, our royal fathers, may I please beg everyone standing in front of the celebrant to please allow some persons to see through. I understand the power of media. I want you to also please carve an inch for yourself so that others can see. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, this is a program that is viewed all over the world right now as I speak to you, because we are celebrating a very renowned philanthropist, a great humanitarian par excellence, a man, a great lover of human beings. That's why we are gathered in this hall this evening. Could you please put your hands together for the celebrant, please? Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to recognize very specially the following persons in our midst already before we take the opening prayers. In the company of the celebrant, we are pleased to welcome the Zaiki himself, the Osagie of Okalu. Please, a round of applause for the Osagie of Okalu. God bless you, sir. Thank you so much for your presence. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my singular honor and privilege to also recognize the Eze Ugochukwu of Umuduba Kingdom from Imo State. Please, could you put your hands together for him? Thank you so much. Let me also quickly recognize our own High Priest. Please put your hands together as I introduce High Priest Eldebi Igbenadua. Please, the Ohenosa of the Holy Arosa. Thank you, sir. God bless you for your presence. I also have my pragmatic and very, very dogged chief. I'm talking about Chief Owen Osagie. A round of applause for Chief. Thank you so much. I have my brother, my friend, Comrade Osagie Okoro Baraye. God bless you. He is a human rights activist. Thank you. And of course, the list is endless. As I get names, I will further introduce. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, I'd like us to quickly take the opening prayers because the event has just is on already with the presence of the celebrant that is already here with us. So may I call on any clergyman here, please, to quickly pray? Oh, okay. Thank you so much, sir. Sano yoko, Sano yoko. Sano yaso Sano. Papa ma po. Dene ni abu yobi to ano ikbede va o kino giva. Boko na da lana. Obi we o mo mo sesi. Ambassador John Osagie. O chu pe a chu ko we dene. Ati ma ya fe. Na wona do buye bobo gina. Zebo igba ro po. Jiva Yuri la mama, et m'a fait manado guem, dia manado guego au internet. Otima, ambassadeur Dion Osagie, Dion Bona Oko Diao. Et Bera Moya Wokona. Sando Guama we see no one Bomaka, Zeri Yobo, Geno Bell, Geno Go. No so as a dene, O Sando Guani to Sueno Dia Uji.
Salobani toss when you are with Salobani toss when you are with you tell Papa who you born up by you born up, you born with Salobani for it. We are fair, I issue anyway, you know, Salobani told we are fair. Kaya fair, no, we see when I go, won't have my affair. It's a Salobani, a Siaro by years. My affair, we you born up. Esese osabwa ya no we no na no mauna esese osabwa we pana we ajo wana do we do ibobu gina je opona na ogbo iti awu ya fe no we ka we no sabwa to do ya fe be o ke go kuni ri wana we de ne du go ti mana go na go ibe fe ke o baro pa bi ya fe na we mana we de ne osabwa to boy go do odo mo e ulaga yo ami oku igbina wa we de ne yi ami oku wo ye ami oku e odo mama ye wa we wona ni ogogo ohun aye ya fe no awe gbe do ke we gbe pa ofin gbe ohun aye de fi obi pata de fi music aye mani gwale mani adom u de fi obi aye gbo no ma no sa ya gbo ne ya gbo e kege no we ya pa we gbe la ke o ke na ri e wo ya fe mo ta gbo ya fe e play no ze hia o ya lo so wi ula ye e play no ze hia o ya de gbo wala ye itu a ke wo go sanu pari no na ya fe to ke agbo e fe ya fe no manu so po me gbo gbo pa fi ola e ya fe to de we sinta no bi o ri mo ku we na be no ato se o mo ya ka we na be no ato so mo ku ka we be no ato se no ya fe ni mo we no ma bu yo bi to e bi na me ya fe hia ye no pa mo da ni ru na no be de ne ke mo ya fe ni re e de ya fe no mana no mana e mana ne elu sa ni ra no elu sa no o ba che
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, sir, for that wonderful prayers. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 40th birthday party of the greatest philanthropist ever. I think you have to put your hands together. He deserves it. A man that is known for the random art of kindness. He deserves a round of applause. Please clap better for him. Except you are jealous of his work, don't laugh. If you are in love with what he's doing for Nigerian people and people across the world, I think this young man deserves a standing ovation. Thank you so much, Chief Dr. Ambassador Dion Osagie. Like I told you, this program is viewed all around the world because the world is celebrating this young pragmatic man. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, we would like to respect our nation by singing the national anthem. Yes, this is very official, and we have to keep it very official. If the band is ready and the DJ is ready, we need the national anthem, please. So we respect our country, Nigeria, because Nigeria is a great country. We love this country. We have no other country we can call ours. This is the only place where we can truly dwell, live, and have our home. So we need to respect this country. Please, DJ, do you have the national anthem, please? If you do not have it, I will sing it very well, like I do. Please, can we be upstanding? Let's respect Nigeria. We are not respecting the president, we are respecting the country. All right? We are not respecting Piccolo, we are respecting the country. So let's rise up to respect Nigeria as a great country. DJ, are you with me? All right, we can all sing together, isn't it? Should I wait? National anthem, 1, 2, go. Arise, O God, patriot, Nigeria's call obey to serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith. The labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain. To serve that clap for Piccolo that can sing it very well. After all, it's not everybody that can sing the national anthem. If you doubt me, I will give you a microphone to sing it personally. Clap for me now. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know you are proud to be a Benin man or woman, we live in a city or we live in a kingdom where the king is truly king. I said, yes, I love the Benins. The Benins, I love them. Something happened recently when I was traveling. A car was in my front and the car had an accident. There were 3 persons inside the car. The 3 of them were in the state of coma. And the driver that was in our own, including the passenger, we were all in tears. Unfortunately, there was a doctor in our car. In the midst of that bush, that doctor was requesting for an oxygen to bring these 3 persons in coma back to life. How was that going to be possible since we were in the middle of the bush? Well, as talented as I am, I told the doctor that I can bring all of them back to life. They all marveled. How are you going to do it? I said they should just watch. I lied the 3 of them down. And the 3 people, one an Hausa man, one an Igbo man, the other one a Benin woman. See wahala. As I lie them down, they do like who don't die. Now I'm here the Hausa man for here. I speak language where Hausa men understand. As I there, I say, so, dollar pound, dollar pound, dollar pound. Hausa man when say, God, the man jump and say, dollar pound pity, wake up. He can't remember the Igbo man and the Benin woman. Now I'm here the Igbo man for here. Una, ego na kanji. It's only the 450, he wake up. They can't remember the Benin. They say, Piccolo, if you fit do this Benin woman, Piccolo, you are a great man. I said, sure. I do Hausa not be my child. I do Igbo not be my. Now my child I know of him too. Now if I take my time, mama take her like who don't really die. Now I look mama for grand. Now I hear mama for you say, Iya hear more one or papa here. Now you say, I think you came back to life. You know, I'm so happy when I'm called upon to do what I'm doing because Nigeria is a blessed country. Do you agree with me? Hello. Before we continue, ladies and gentlemen, because if you ask me to talk from now to tomorrow, I will certainly continue. But let me respect the order of this program. I've been told that we have a very, very distinguished gentleman here who is going to be delivering the address of welcome. Permit me at this junction to ask that we be first of all appreciated for coming, and thereafter I will continue with what I have in my mind. Mind you, there are guests I have not introduced. I will do so immediately after now. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my singular honor and privilege to hand the microphone over to Ambassador Osagie for the welcome address. A round of applause for Ambassador Osagie. If you are here with us, please, I need your attention right now. Thank you so much, lovely Ambassador. This is not just anyhow Ambassador. There is an ambassador, there's an ambassador, this is an ambassador. And I think you have to do better. An ambassador of peace. Please, a round of applause for him.
Thank you very much. My very respected and distinguished ambassador extraordinary, Chief Dr. Ambassador Dion Osagie, Your Royal Highness, the paramount ruler from the East. I can see my very good friend Osagie, and also a very distinguished Edebiri Igbinodua. You are highly welcome, sir. And my friend Osagie and other distinguished personality here present, distinguished ambassadors, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a very special moment. And of course, I'm very, very pleased to take this assignment because the person we are seeing here today has made his mark. He has been able to put his signature on the flowing water. He is a man who I see as a philanthropic extraordinary, a man who has contributed to the poor and the needy, a man who has been able to transform the philanthropic world and gave it a meaning. In fact, when I hear his name, I feel very proud I feel very honored. I can see the galaxy of personalities here present because of him. Please, can we put our hands together for him? Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want to use this opportunity to welcome you as we celebrate his 40th birthday. 40 years has a great significance. 40 is quite confidential. 40 years, if you are a spiritual man here, you know number 4 is a very strong number. So we're talking about 40. 40 is quite providential. I want to let you understand. I see him as a messiah in the field of human development. Please come with us together. 40 years is quite significant in the sense that spiritually and physically, number 4 is a solid number. A man has 2 hands and also 2 legs. And of course, for you not to fall, you have two legs. For you to walk, you have 2 hands so that you can make ends meet. So automatically, for God to create 2 hands and 2 legs, and if you put them together, that is number 4. It makes you to be successful in life. Ambassador Dion Osagie is highly successful. He is an international personality, extraordinary ambassador for peace, plenipotentiary. I always love him. Most times, when it goes out for service of random act of kindness, he's a man who does not believe that you are Igbo. Does not believe if you are Hausa. He does not believe if you are Yoruba. He does not believe in tribe. He does not believe in culture. He does not believe in skin pigmentation. Anywhere you are in the world, he's only out of service. We are happy to have him in this dispensation. We are happy to have him in this generation. And of course, if everyone can be like him, to be your neighbor's keeper, I believe the world will be a nice place. On behalf of myself, on behalf of the Peace Council of Edo State, we want to congratulate you this day for this wonderful, historical 40th birthday anniversary. And at this point, please, with all sense of humility, can we rise to sing this? As I welcome you all to this place, can we all rise to sing this song for him, please? With all sense of humility. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Super Dion. May the good Lord bless you, Dion. May the good Lord bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip. At this point, I want to thank you all for taking time off your busy schedule to be here today. Thank you for adding color and value to this historical event. Thank you very much, and God bless us all. Thank you.
Could you please put your hands together for Ambassador Sasu, please? Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to appreciate the person that is sitting close to you. Just look at that person. Say, neighbor, you're beautiful. Say, neighbor, come to another. Say, neighbor, I love you. Are you sure you love the neighbor? Say, neighbor, are you sure you love me? Say, neighbor, if you love me, tell me your ATM pin. Voila. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a while ago I saw an honored personality in our midst, a very respected a woman of God. Ladies and gentlemen, Monique, is she still around? Monique. She's also okay, that's fine. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome all friends of Ambassador Dion all the way from Spain. And thank you for coming to be part of this. Mr. Lucky, don't worry, from Spain. Thank you so much. Mr. Tony, welcome from Spain. Christopher Osagie, thank you. Osazua Omori, all from Spain. We thank you for coming. I also quickly want to recognize all the ambassadors of peace here in our midst. Ambassador Andrew, Giato, is that if I'm correct? But if I am not, please pardon me. I have Ambassador Joseph of Morowell. I have Ambassador Oduare Peters. I have Ambassador Sasu, who just spoke to us a while ago. I have Honorable Austin Edebi Iyamu in our midst. I have Mr. Alaye of Ogbe. I have the former SSA to the Governor of Public Service, Lion Gabe Osareti Osayende is here. Osaze from the palace. Thank you so much for your presence. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, right about now we are taking this event to another level. Don't forget that we are celebrating a social egalitarian, a man of social justice. Please put your hands together. If I use English, they praise and you clap. Oh, Dion and fine man, true of us. Now, Dion, why did they answer? I said, Dion and fine man, true of us. At 40, he is glowing. Dion, you shall spend your days in prosperity and your years in pleasure. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all about partying tonight, not about making speeches. We just want to come celebrate this wonderful soul who has given so much to the society. That's why we are here. So less speech, plenty of happiness. That's why we have a DJ right here, and we have a live band, we have a cultural troupe. So just right now, I'd like to now bring the first display of music, which is our cultural troupe, to respect our tradition. Ladies and gentlemen, if your hands are not busy, let us hear some good tunes from the Ogosa Theatre troupe. I've been told that Chief Dr. Ambassador Dion is a patron to this troupe. Please put your hands together for them while you have some time to perform for the admiration of everyone here present. Thank you. I need to see Monique, please. Your attention is needed.
Wabokyo Waya Mire Wase Wagakya Wasowa Oguwa Niliwa Ufo Mani Osagie Theatre. Bawo wa bokia, iwu wa bokia o. Waya mire. Wasowa Oguwa Iwa Ufo Mani Ogosa Theatre Mawuwa Bokia Eti One Ose Eti One Ose Marusu no do bobo. Adubia mawa o, edo bobo. Eti onera. Adubia mawa. Ode second of February. I never, never that go sayabo. Oh, Marusu no do bobo. Adubia mawa o, edo bobo. Yeah, Adubia mawa. Ode second of February. Celebrate with our patron on his 40th birthday, our ambassador, my lovely patron who has never left me behind. I'm proud of you. Bini will always say, Okiade la la la, Edune Funorame, Akonodame this year. You will celebrate more years. I pray for you from the bottom of my heart. As you love culture, I always say, any man that loves this field will go far, because this is the beginning of history. Because you appreciate us and because you love us, we are in support of you. The Lord is in support. All at top there, Dion at top there, all those Atlanta true members and at top of there. Amen. Wagedo, ìwé tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀ṣẹ́ lè. Wagedo, ẹjọ́ ló ń sọ̀rọ̀. Ilé ọ̀ṣẹ́, ilé ọ̀ṣẹ́ lè. Ilé ọ̀ṣẹ́, ilé ọ̀ṣẹ́ lè. Ilé ọ̀ṣẹ́, ilé ọ̀ṣẹ́ lè. Tí o sọ́wọ́, etí o sọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ ó bá lọ́tọ̀. Tí o lè sọ́wọ́ rẹ̀. Yọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀nà súnkì bí ẹ̀ ayé pìtà yẹ tí yẹ lẹ́nà. Ayé pìtà yẹ tí yẹ lẹ́nà. Ọ̀gbọ̀n náírà wà ẹ̀ nà fi. Ọmọ mi sọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ nà fi o. Ọmọ nẹ̀gbẹ́ wà ẹ̀ nà fi. Ọmọ nẹ̀gbẹ́ wà ẹ̀ nà fi o.
Is that the best you can do for this wonderful performance? Let's not just stingy with clapping now. Shoe, Robama said, "Man, nothing go more. At least go visit Pan Bikini. You don't feel that. You don't physically clap for them. God bless you. You're in the spirit." All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was a very lovely performance from the Ogosa Theatre troupe. Thank you so much. Then, back to back, we'll be taking music performance the DJ will play is an atmosphere of merriment and conviviality. So that's why we are here. Once again, let me respectfully salute our traditional rulers here. We thank you for your presence. We are most elated that you are here to be part of this 40th celebration of the greatest philanthropist, a gift to humanity, Chief Dr. Ambassador Dion. The only time Dion is not thinking is when he's sleeping. Every time he's thinking on how to help people. Dion, as you are helping, God will continue to help you. Ladies and gentlemen, hello. Somebody told me something. Said, Piccolo, there is something you have not done yet. I said, really, I have to do it. Do you know that God is good? How many of you know that God is a wise planner? So please, we have not acknowledged him with a round of applause. Please clap for God. Even when I say someone clap for God, I see package. God will give you life when Corona not hit you. God will give you life when you travel. You come back, no accident. The Alpha, the Omega, beginning and the end. Jehovah Jireh, Jehovah Nissi, Jehovah Eshadai, Jehovah Pescatus. Oh my God. Oh, Father, see people where you bless. I say when they clap, they sit down the package. But I stand up for you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, thank you. Where's your pride? Where's your ego? According to my friend. Ladies and gentlemen, let me respectfully salute my friend who came all the way from Bayelsa to support our great ambassador. I'm talking about Talkative. You all know him. Talkative is my dear friend. I welcome you. Virgin is in the building. The only virgin that is truly not a virgin. He's here now, miss. I am pleased to say we have a very legendary Fapomo in our midst. Please, a round of applause for Fapomo. These are the fathers of music in those days. We love you, sir. Great celebrities are here. I have my brother, my friend, Jen Dinero, my wife is here. Please, a round of applause for Jen Dinero. I have two souls. They are, in fact, artists here today is unlimited. So it's because of the good Dion has contributed to the entertainment industry. Ladies and gentlemen, without much further waste of time, I have the best hype man here. The best hype man is here. I'm talking about DJ Idben, Hyperplay Idben is here. He will be taking from me also. We'll be doing it together. We have a chairman in this event who will be speaking to us shortly. Mr. Chairman, sir, I don't know if he's around now, but if he's not yet here, I would like to call on the band to give us a short interlude while refreshment is ongoing. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be having Mr. Chairman to speak to us in no distant time. But meanwhile, the band, are you ready? Hello, band. Give us some interlude. Let's just refresh ourselves a little. Let's get ourselves back to the party. Let's know that we are here to celebrate an icon. That's why we are here. People are watching all over the world. There's comment here and there. A lot of persons are angry that they cannot make this event right now because they are far off from Benin City. In fact, we are very, very happy that Ambassador Dion Osagie hosted this event in Benin. So to all our online viewers, we want to say to you, we love you. You are part of this event. Dion Osagie loves you. The president of Gossip Foundation loves you. So you can be part of this till further notice. If we are dancing here, dance. If we don't reach the time to spray your own. You can send it through a Benzuzu. Ladies and gentlemen, let's dance more now. We'll be back. 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 All right. We have Terry P in the music. Terry P. I see you, Mr. Terry P. Your wife. God bless you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, just in case you don't know, the band playing is otherwise known as the Waves Band. They are Ladies and gentlemen, let's turn the party to a good presenter. I have the pleasure to bring my brother, my friend. I can play DJ. Come, let's do something together. Let's enjoy first. As we cut the cake, the group will go to another level. Let's go, DJ Express. I can play. Happy birthday to you! She got to Ambassador Dion Osagie. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Happy birthday, sir. More money, more life, and good health. More respect. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, just say I go by the name Hyperplay DJ Hitman. Are you ready now? Red Tyrants, Lambining City. More respect to everyone up on the building tonight. Are you ready now? We're here to celebrate tonight. Come. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? More respect to all. Let's say I'm shaking my head. I'm a DJ, you know we are not here to preach. You better find best fight tonight.
Push your legs, slow belly. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Let's fight for five. You know what's happening? DJ, take over. What's up, you already know we're here to celebrate the Shaman, the Pops. So now, happy birthday to you, one money, one life, you could have, you already know the fight tonight. Hey, see, you better fight along, you better fight along, you better fight along. So now, what's up, massive respect to the CEO. I beat you up so excited, therapy. Massive respect to you, you know the fight. Yes, I can don't take this too serious, we just yet to have fun, you know what's happening. Just get to the most fun with it, come on. Hey, hey! What? I don't focus on you, hey! I did ready, what's a cherry club? What's a harbor club? You know what's happening, is get to the most fun. Hey, see, you gotta come and come, you gotta come and keep I don't get them since 90 years now. Hey, we take them to the sponsor. We take them to the sponsor. You know what's happening ever. DJ to play this song. You think you're up in things. DJ to play that song. Give me your back. Give me your back. See, me I know the pop. Me I know the pop. My energy is wonderful. What time you ready to reach up here and start tonight? Let's see. You better put the DJ. You better fight along, you better get to the road, you better fight along, you better get to the road, so right, you ready to go. Hey, what's up? See, you better do on the fly, you better fly, give me the leg podcast, give me the statue cards, give me the club podcast, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Everybody, let's go tonight. Just get to the mood tonight. Just get to the mood. You already know we just here to have fun. Everybody, let's go. You want to chew with the big boys. You want to chew with the big boys. See, I ain't never get to see the rock. Everything was in the pot. Hey, it's a big boy. But I ain't sorry, man. What time? I know. Got you, man. You wanna cheat, you wanna pump up, you wanna cheat, you wanna pump up. But this is not that, that is not that, but you don't want me to call you. Why I want to get the music back tonight? Hey, I'm in on. Are you ready to we just get started tonight? We just get started. Everybody say, you should be getting some more. Supposed to be the much I want. You want to be in the train? You want to come on the ground? Hey! Let me see how this goes. On this part. Everybody now say, everybody, let's go one time. Follow my command, like so. Go down on the we take over body. Happy birthday, Apostle of Joe. Nobody more likely good than you right now. Nobody see. Go surely, it's your birthday. Go surely, it's your birthday. We're gonna party out, it's your birthday. We're gonna party out, it's your birthday. Everybody, let's show some motherfucking love tonight. I want us to see me every day. 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 DJ music, let the music play. You already know what time it is. Everybody know. So, hey, follow my command, like to me. Celebrate, you're not dancing. Show them, but I know you with your body. If you don't want to try the next complete, you can try the second one for the next complete. Let's try on the next one. For me, I don't go to me, con. Let's get everybody, let's go to it. I'm so sure. I'm tired out. I don't make it over the uniform. I don't make it over the uniform. I don't know Mona Lisa. 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 Hey, ladies, the DJ. Expert son. Expert son. You ready to know the one tonight? Hey. Hey, ladies, I want to see me every day tonight. I want to see me every day. I want to see me every day. See, out there for the guest squad. Out there for the guest squad. Out there for the guest squad. Get money, pay for guest squad. Get money, pay for guest squad. Give me the bad, the body, the bad, the body, 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 the body.
See what? I'm a piano, let's go right. I'm a piano, let's go low. I'm a piano, let's go. You better move to the beat, better move to the beat, move to the beat, move to the beat. See. And you already know we have to come tonight. If you are not drinking, then you are not eating. You are the love team. You are the love team. If you are not drinking, then you are not eating. Now, outside, yes, some people go outside. It's never one that we have no time. You say show, what should shine. What time? Take me away. Say, go far away. Take me away. Go far away. Oh, sapi boy. All these guys when I'm not gonna try you. Hey! Why are you shaking? I want to come into iPhone. God bless you. Thank you so much. That was just to spice the place up, because it was becoming too official, as if Dion wants to contest for the position of the president of the country. So we needed to let you know that it was just a verified of an ambassador of peace and a great humanitarian. That's why we are here. So the place must be very, very lively. As they don't share food now, I beg if you're in charge of the food, make sure say everybody eat, because who no eat, no matter how they decorate the hall, you know they find for you. Let everybody show. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, and please, as they share the food they come, eat what you understand, what you they used to. If you never eat fried rice before, I'm a jollof is a bit my sister, no share food. If they give you pounded jam, they go give you spoon or fork. Wash your hand. Now, if you fear not to make mistake, now they make mistake. I don't know whether you understand they talk, because one day like that when they fly, they go Germany. For my first time in life to enter plane, international flight. You say what's it? You say what's it? Una father. Shebi na don't start to argue again now. Una too like arguments. And you went there and I saw your papa argue.
ritual in the village when they play draft. You don't start to the argue here. I said I don't enter play. Even if na lie they talk, you know what pretending are true. As I dey inside, abeg let me talk to responsible people. As I dey inside the plane, they come serve food come. The food wey they bring come, honestly, I never see that kind of food. And the people when they share the food, they don't dey speak English. They just conversation. We check out one church. Everybody go chon with you. Me I no go fuck up. I will say chon chon. When they give me chon chon, oh my God. The first time they give me chon chon, at the school space they chop chon chon. And then 2 times that they serve food for inside plane before your plane finally land. We don't go again. Now they won't come again and say, couldn't chop punch, but it chon chon. As I don't wear chon chon and all like I don't say chin. My father lay cook egg. When they bring chin, I use shape chopper. My sister, before we land, I was always friendly. So it is my earnest advice to everybody. Eat what you understand, especially when there is variety of food. Please, while they were dancing just now, there is a missing eyelashes. Check your eye whether your eye fall. It's with me here. If you know your eyelashes is missing, please come and meet me after the event. And I must thank God for makeup. Our women, no woman is ugly again. Women, round of applause for yourself. If you don't want to clap, may help them clap for them. All the women are now very beautiful. But what did they pay me fast? You go make up, you never get motor, you will trek. Some go eat you, sweat go come. Your makeup will divide the recipe. Now let you go to explain that. Now heat. Now God get power, Jesus get more, so them on the area boy. Ladies and gentlemen, I want us to respectfully welcome my very big dog, Mr. Endos is in our midst. Thank you, sir. God bless you for your presence. I've been told that the chairman is now here. And yes, he's now here. Ladies, he's now here. That's what I said. The celebrant. Let's say Dion don't take for America. So can you don't see where Dion the best? You're going to use America and say, man, what are you going to check, man? Oh, that's the ambassador. Ladies and gentlemen, let me now welcome Mr. Chairman to speak to us about the 40th birthday and tell us how the event should be coordinated. Once again, I welcome you all, and Favor from Benue State, you are highly represented and welcome. God bless you, Favor. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my singular honor and privilege to hand the microphone over to Mr. Chairman to give us his address. Mr. Toju. A round of applause for Mr. Toju. Thank you, sir.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want to stand on the existing protocol. Let me correct the name. My name is Taju Omori, in Toronto, Canada. My people, I do well coming to this birthday because this same time last year, we all know what the pandemic did around the world. Me, Dion, and a few other friends, we celebrated it in a key way. But today, God is keeping us alive, and we are celebrating big. Hopefully, next year it will be bigger than this. I just want to thank you all for giving us this opportunity to come here to celebrate with us. The same way God will only bless your life as you join us to celebrate this our birthday. I know there are a lot of kids in the house, and we have a lot of distinguished people in the house from around the world. On behalf of Godsend Foundation, I just want to thank you all for giving us this privilege. At the same time, Osagie, as you all know, is a stubborn boy, I know. But we all know that we have many good things in him. We have a son that can deliver. Why I love him is that we have a son that can walk from anywhere in the world to solve social problems. I think he's the highest in solving social problems in the state. The records are there. Nigeria. They are solving social problems that is enormous, that nobody can solve. Dion is so talented in this field. He can work from Mexico, he can work from Senegal, he can work from Singapore, he can work from US, he can work from Toronto. When you are seeing him, you think he's in Benin. He's not in Benin, he's around the world. So we are privileged to have a son like that. That is why I agreed to patron the organization. And I must not fail to thank all our donors who run the globes that is making it work for us. I just want to thank you all and thank all our beneficiaries. I just want to let you know again, if you don't get our benefit this time, try again. Doesn't mean that you are not qualified, you are qualified. It's God sent goals, random act of kindness. And we have the capacities to deliver. Don't know that. And we don't know that. We have people around the globe that is our donors. So yesterday we were with our daddy, one of the greatest Edoma in the universe. Our daddy, the Isama of the universe, Erima, Dion. He asked to identify with us, and he endorsed God Sent Foundation. So that was, please let's clap for that. If you want to check for your satisfaction, they are all on record. So we were there. He received us like his own son. So there was no discrimination. We were so overwhelmed with it, and around the globe we are getting accolade on that. So at the same time, we cannot forget to thank our greatest daddy. Erima Oba Atokbe, Dion for giving us this privilege to do this. For giving us this privilege to do this. Once again, let me correct myself. Our Nobale So for giving us this privilege to solve social problems in this domain. And I equally want to.
Go ahead, sir. What's going on? Yeah.
Yeah. We are sorry for that short interruption. Anyway, I just want to again reassure those that is not believing in us to please identify with us that there is no perfection in human being. We are open for correction. We are open to work with other organizations. Please, if you want to work with God Sent Foundation, I cannot identify you. Please, our numbers are there. Just Google it, God Sent Foundation. You can access us anywhere in the world. So I encourage every one of us to please key into this program. Thank you once again for coming. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chairman, all the way from Canada.
Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to welcome each and everyone to this great occasion. My name is Victor Ojo, popularly known as Ojo 7 of Toronto, Canada. I'm happy today to be here with my friend, my brother from Omode. For those that doesn't know where Dion come from, he come from Uhi, Uhi village in Omode local government area of those states. As a matter of fact, I'm very surprised and happy that with the way people turn up, this party was planned for just less than 2 weeks. And I'm happy that we are here to celebrate the Dion. For those of us that have had the opportunity to travel around the country, there's what we call welfare, social welfare in any part of the world. We're supposed to have a social welfare office in Benin. Unfortunately, it's not functioning. But when you go to number 12 Exotic Street in Benin, through God Sent Foundation, there's what we call social welfare. For those that have not been there, go there, you see some old women, some those people that are not well to do, they all come there to do what the government is supposed to be doing. It's only God Sent Foundation worldwide that is giving that opportunity to the less privileged in the society. Please, can everybody clap for that, please? Yeah. Like my patron rightly said, last year, February 2nd, We were in Toronto together, having this birthday party in a very low key. But we pray by God's grace, next year will be more bigger than this. Please, we want everybody to associate with God's Send Foundation to alleviate the suffering of the less privileged in the society. And I want to use this opportunity to greet my father in the house, Chief Osagie. You are welcome, sir. Chief Omodogo of Umagokido, you are welcome, sir. Aguba Wan, you are welcome, sir. And a host of other Baba, you are welcome, sir. God bless you, sir. Mama Gushi of Toronto, Canada, you are welcome. Once again, please enjoy yourself. Please, if you drink, don't drive. Drink responsibly. God bless you. Once again, this is Victor Ojo of Toronto, Canada.
Thank you so much, Mr. Victor Ojo. Ladies and gentlemen, while Mr. Chairman was giving his speech, my brother was seated also, Mr. Agumba Wan. He is the CEO of Golden Woolies Hotel. You're highly welcome. Faith Ike, I see you. God bless you. A very respected son of the Benin Kingdom, an employer of labor, a very successful entrepreneur. Ladies and gentlemen, a distinguished honorable, a political juggernaut. Ladies and gentlemen, a pragmatic and a dogged leader. The president of the Benin Recreational Club. Ladies and gentlemen, the newest president. I'm talking about the CEO, DVD Oil and Gas, DVD here, DVD there, DVD everywhere you go. Honorable Valentine, I swear, you're highly welcome, sir. God bless you. Thank you for your presence. Thank you. God bless you. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, my brother, my friend, a musician par excellence, former executive director to Governor Adams Oshomole of Edo State, and now Mr. Maleke Moye Idowu is also in the building. Ladies and gentlemen, at about now.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's make welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, bring it down, bring it down. May I respectfully salute a birthday mate of Dion, Ambassador Dion Osagie, a queen par excellence. I call her the queen. Well, I have gone outside to personally apologize. And when I saw her, I said, wow, this is elegantly beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, today is also her birthday. I'm talking about Princess, the Queen, Abeta. Please, a round of applause for the celebrant also who is celebrating alongside with Dion. God bless you, madam. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, it will interest you to know that the mother of the celebrant is here with us today. Could you please clap for Mama Dion, Mama Ambassador, Mama Dobochi, Mama Doctor? I'm talking about Mrs. Osagie. Yes. Put your hands together for her. Hold on, DJ. We are going to specially welcome our mother. You know, it's not easy to give birth to someone who have the heart to help the poor. Someone who have the heart to give a lending hand to the less privileged. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give Mama Dion a very special welcome to this event. And to do that, I'd like to invite the song Ambassador Dion Osagie, and I'd like to invite a special artist to do a duet for the mother of the celebrant. I'm talking about Mr. Tuso. Where are you, please? I need you here before we invite the mother. Ladies and gentlemen, please, if you appreciate Dion, you will certainly appreciate the mother, because there's no one like mother. Tuso, you know what to do.
All right, hold on. I welcome each and every one of you to a God Send Foundation
all white party with a purpose. White stand for peace, and that's why you're here. I'd like to acknowledge all the great people who have honored my invitation, starting from the Ore of Arosa. Thank you so much, my father. I see my brother Lion Gavin, my brother DVD Oil, my brother Chief Owen Obaseki, my brother Usaon, my father the Psyche of Okalo Kingdom, my sister is there as well, Adesua Obata, she's not looking too happy. My king, my Eze from Umuduba Kingdom is also here with us. Over to this side, my very own father, Patanju Omoroyi. I better clap for this great man, man. It is not easy to share the same birthday with a man who believes so much in me. Thank you so much, sir. Mama Gucci. Victor Ojo in Canada. Papa 77. I really think that Victor Ojo family in Canada, in Toronto, has the biggest family because he's there. He has 7 children. His wife is there. And of course, my pastor is also here, Pastor Emmanuel. If I do not mention your name, please don't be angry. I want each and every one of you to know that I strongly appreciate your support. So many persons were invited, but those of you here today, you are the real change maker. Maybe not clap for yourself, I am not a billionaire. I am not the richest person in Edo State or from Edo State. But in the last 10 years, I have constantly used myself to inspire those persons watching our work with the hope we can inspire someone with a greater influence to join us to eradicate poverty in our country. I better not clap for this one. 10 years, not be been so. 10 years, not be been. As I speak to you today, I am so proud that with the help of a God-sent family, we have been able to establish the first and only free school in Edo State. I beg you, clap for me if you are not a hater. All right. Apart from that, since July 1st, 2017, we have constantly made free food for our people every Saturday. Apart from that, because we believe in the spirit of unity, we have constantly traveled around the world to meet with Edo people in every city to find a way we can all unify to make Edo a greater place. Thank you for your support. You know, it is very, very rare to see a handsome, cute young man who wants to better his community. It is almost impossible. A young man who have a potential to live and travel any country in the world. But my heart continues to be with my people. The love I have for my people, words cannot convey it. But before I continue, my friend Destiny is right here. Please let's clap for Destiny and the wife. Her world is here. We share the same birthday. Come this way. Her world, come and give me a hug. We have the same birthday. All right, thank you so much. You guys are welcome. Not to bore you with a long talk. Long story short, when I started this project, even my mom was so scared that something will happen to me. We almost agree that in the country we come from, doing good is a big problem. Of course, as the oldest son of the family, I can never blame my mom for being so scared of her pride. Many of you don't know my mom because she lives in the United States with my other siblings. Many of you don't know my mom. But today,
I am so proud. I am so proud. I am so delighted that my mom is celebrating with me today on my first year birthday. I'm ever clap for my mama. We must constantly appreciate people. We must constantly celebrate people when they are alive, not when they are dead. Please, for those of you watching me online, for those of you here today, please don't celebrate me when I'm dead. I beg. Celebrate me while I am alive. Buy me that cow today. Let me eat it. This is not a speech or a class. Do so. I am going to bring my mom here and I'm going to have a dance with my mom. You're going to sing that song for me. If you know you love good things, please join me to welcome my sweet mother who flew all the way from Texas to join my birthday party. My mom? Yes, I love you.
Hi. So, are you there today? Yes. He is such a happy year. He is such a happy year. And I believe that for me, you know. Oh, brother, the way that can no be allowed here and no. Mary is such a happy year. We is such a happy year. And I believe that for me, you know. Oh, brother, the way that can no be allowed here and no. Give me your kid, be a wow. You know, I hear that I hear that you're there. Oh, you want my head, I want your fire, baby. Am I here? Oh, I tell you, I'm not very here like you there. What did I get out of the year? So. He is such a happy year. And we such a happy year. But that day got for me, you know. And we such a happy year. We such a happy year. Ìwé dẹ́gbẹ́ ní ẹ̀kọ́ rí yẹ̀rọ. Ó bá lọ́dún rẹ̀ tẹ̀dú bí ọ̀rẹ́ òfin ẹ̀rọ o. Iyọ̀ iye wọ́n ní ọmọ rẹ̀ ọ̀pá yìí kan pọ̀ tó. Ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ nọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n pa. Ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ nọ̀rọ̀ tó wẹ̀. Iye bẹ́ sókè nínú àká. Iye ọ̀sán tó ké bàtú sáyàwó mọ́rùn. Iye rẹ̀ lóye o. Ìbọn máa gẹ́gbẹ́ níyẹ rẹ̀ o. Ọ̀pá gẹ́gbẹ́ níyẹ rẹ̀ ní ìdágẹ́rẹ́ o. Lọ́la kàwé kíkà, ọ̀yìn kàwé sọ. Ẹ̀sọ́ gàrí lẹ́yìn kí sáyé kẹ́pọ̀. Iye lóye o. If you know you know the program, I want you to come and celebrate this beautiful and adorable woman. Yes, sir. My father. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get it, take 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 it. So, I'm not going to go celebrate this woman. She deserves all. Yes. She deserves all. Yes. See. He is such a happy year. We is such a happy year. He was just better than commission. We is such a happy year. iṣẹ́ tí ní àmì ìṣe rẹ̀ wò ó. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ kẹ́rin rẹ̀ kọ́ ní ìṣe rẹ̀ wò ó. Mo wà lọ́dún rẹ̀ tẹ̀lú bí ẹ̀rẹ̀ wò ìṣe rẹ̀ lòdì. Ẹ̀jọ̀ àkọ́rí ìṣe rẹ̀ mẹ́ wò ó. Iye o, iye o sọ̀rọ̀ o kele. Àkọ́rí ìṣe rẹ̀ mẹ́ wò ó. Thank you, so much. Happy birthday, Ambassador Dion. I'm Mama Dion. Oh my God, I'm so emotional right now. DJ Express. Thank you so much. I am so now very emotional at this point. Thank you. Mama, we thank you, we love you. God bless you. Just before we call on the ambassadors here to present an award, I'd like to specially recognize my brother, my friend, Mr. Destiny Ibagwa, and of course the beautiful wife, whose today is also her birthday, the CEO Hayward, most beautiful woman. You are blessed. Ladies and gentlemen, while they are trying to clear the stage, I'd like to say something very special. Wow! I've been told that Mr. Taju is also his birthday, all the way from Canada. Mr. Taju, God bless you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. And ladies and gentlemen, once again, Chief Owen Osagie, you are highly respected. There is a surprise that we actually want to unveil this afternoon. Because that Dion is a good man. Because that Dion has contributed modestly to the development of the society, a group of persons ladies and gentlemen, a very respected council came all the way from Cape Verde to honor this great humanitarian. Ladies and gentlemen, it will be my most pleasure to at this point welcome very specially to perform this assignment all the way from Cape Verde, the ECOWA Youth Council. Please, a round of applause for the president as he comes. This is a special moment. In fact, this is the high point of this event. All the way from Cape Verde, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome Mr. President of the ECOWA Youth Council to do a special presentation of the celebrant. Thank you, Mr. President.
All protocols duly observed. Firstly, I want to congratulate you and wish you. We are the leadership of the ECOWAS Youth Council, the largest youth network, and working with the ECOWAS Commission for the interest of young people in West Africa and beyond. We are here not body with too much of engagement. We are here for a very special and distinguished recognition, and we are here for Ambassador Dr. Dion, Osagie. We want to pick out two important things. We'd like to pick out two important things which are very key for us as young leaders. We must pick out the fact that we have come to identify a young person, and we have come to identify a philanthropist. For us as young leaders, it's not always far-fetched to celebrate people who are adding value to the life of the people, adding value to the society and the community at large, adding value to creating leadership and providing leadership for younger generation. So, it's not far-fetched that we have read about your engagement with widows in the society. We have heard about your engagement with young children to see that you raise their level of education to a greater height. It is not far-fetched that you have been able to impact poor women in the society. It's not far-fetched that with your leadership capacity engaging the fact that you have traveled far and near, been able to impact the life of people across boards, even people that work with you. It's quite distinguished that this is not done to Edo State alone, but encompassing across Nigeria and beyond. We want to celebrate you. It takes a man of courage to put all of this together, to sacrifice for the entirety of people, Nigerians, Edo people, Edo youth, Edo widow, women, and men in the society. We want to appeal to you that for us, we have seen all of these and it's the starting point for you. We hope that you continue in this space for a better nation, a better Africa that we are building, and a better global system. We want to say that this honor we're having today is one of the highest and the greatest honor of the Youth Council, which very prominent sons of Nigeria and Africa beyond have received this kind of honor before now. Like the former president of Nigeria who comes from the Sultan to the former president Goodluck Jonathan, who happens to be the patron of the youth organization. And of course, it's quite distinguished that we have come here to your domain, to where you have your people, to have the world to watch what we are doing today, to appreciate you, and of course to challenge you to do more for society. On this note, on behalf of young people in West Africa, in Africa, we salute you. We want to encourage you. We want to see that you continue to go from strength to strength. We want to see that this leadership acumen you have created for yourself will continue to inspire you and younger people in the generation. Over time, while trying to read very much about you, I got to realize there was a woman in a video that you were giving support to her children, about 3 kids, and she never expected such of a thing to come to her, and even the children were crying at that point in time. So I felt that this is really a great thing to do for a young person, not minding his financial capacity or whatever, to be able to imbibe the life of people. I want to say, sir, that we want to see that you continue in this place. We believe God will continue to keep you with good health, strong mind, and sound mind. And we are saying that you will continue to be victorious in all that you do. And on this note, we'd like to have you to the stage for this presentation. Thank you very much. We would like to have a citation before the presentation. Thank you.
Citation in honor of Chief Dr. Ambassador Osagie. In recognition as a philanthropist through outstanding service towards the development of God-Sent Foundation, a non-profitable organization that is geared towards the advancement of humanity through sustainable community service across the world. He grew up to witness the unconditional love his mother shared with people who weren't about to children and vowed to develop on her path in making life better for others. He founded God-Sent Foundation to ensure the well-being of children and widows by improving their standard of living, from removing children from the streets to unite them with their families and their standard of living by engaging them on skill acquisition and academic scholarship. Chief Dr. Ambassador Osagie also extends his service to the widows by sponsoring their medical bills through the Feeding the Hungry program. His faith taught him to dream big and have courage in his abilities. He wants to restore hope in a place where it was once diminished. Chief Dr. Osagie was born in Benin, the capital city of Edo State, in the southern part of Nigeria. He spent his early years in the ancient and historical city, acquiring primary education and developing a keen sense of communal living, which encouraged every individual to lend in a helping hand. In the 10 years of its existence, God-Sent Foundation has imparted over 1 million lives through various things, including education and internship, funding, widows program bills, and feeding the hungry, free acquisition skills workshop, God-Sent program grants, and free accommodation for abused women. Chief Dr. Ambassador Osagie is a well-educated young man who spends his time cultivating strong networks across the globe to increase the capacity and impact through sustainable development of God-Sent Foundation and other entrepreneurial systems in Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, Chief Dr. Ambassador Osagie.
Please, let's give a clap for the elderly. And on this note, it's quite enormous. We want to congratulate you again, sir. We want to continue to hear of this great achievement from you. We'd like to have the decoration of the rest.
Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, this is beautiful. Authentic ambassador.
Congratulations to you. We would love to have the presentation to you.
Standing on the laid-down protocol, having me to present this honor of West African Youth Council Award, Business Mandela Leadership Award of Excellence and Integrity to Ambassador Dr. Osagie as West African Youth Ambassador. In lieu of your great efforts as a notable personality of Arab youth, hardworking and goal-oriented individual with passion for youth development. On this day, 2nd of February 2022, signed by Ambassador Emmanuel Williams. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, he deserves a round of applause, please. This is an authentic ambassador of peace. Congratulations, Ambassador Dion. Presentation still ongoing.
Congratulations to you, sir. There's a little correction we want to make. It is not Dr. Ambassador. It is Ambassador Doctor. We want to congratulate you, and there's a letter of appointment from the Youth Council recognizing you as the West African Youth Ambassador, and of course, due to your laudable achievements for the betterment of the young people and philanthropism. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Ambassador Dr. Kadu. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you so much, each and everyone sitting here today, recognizing yet another feather added to my shoulder. Over the years, received several awards, and I believe that my 40th birthday marks a beginning of a new change in my life, a new story, a new kindness, a new love, new forgiveness. And I thank each and every one of you for being here with me to celebrate my 40th. The Youth Council, thank you so much for believing in me so much to make me a part of your council as a West African Youth Ambassador. It's a big one. It's a big one, and I'm assuring you that together we are going to make more impacts. We are going to encourage more youths to be proactive. We are going to give more people a chance to see a better day. And I would like to say that I would like to dedicate this award to my lovely mom who have been there. Yes, for my mom. Crying all night when I'm in those states. She's so scared, but she's here with me today, and together we are a witness to this achievement. My daddy, Batanju, Victor Ojo, my Zaki, my friends, all you guys here today witnessing this event, thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless you, Ambassador Dion Osagie. A photograph, please, group photograph. Thank you so much. The office is in Quebec, and we are happy that you made it to this place this evening. God bless you, Mr. President, and of course, members of your entourage. Without much ado, I'd like to invite the celebrants straight to the cake stand to cut the birthday cake on this attire, please. Please. Just come straight to the cake stand like this. Yeah. Ambassador Doctor. Authentic ambassador. Presidency for life. Yes. All right. Okay, make please, I have been directed to call the CEO Hayward to please come also to the cake stand. Patanju, please. Adesua, please come to the cake stand. These are the people celebrating birthday today. Kola Edobayi, great human rights activist, and of course your crew, you are highly welcome. CEO Hayward, Mr. Destiny Ebagwa, you are a great man. It's good to have you here celebrating your wife's birthday in the grand style. Adesua Beta, it's your birthday now. Birthday girl. The Queen. We are waiting for. Hello. We are waiting for Hayward CEO. The birthday girl. Oh my God. She's a queen. Alright, these are all the 02/02/22 born. This is February children. Put your hands together for them. Congratulations. Okay, she wants to get her cake also. This is beautiful. Patachu. The mayor is also a February 2nd born. Congratulations. Hayward! And another mountain is coming now. We need a table here, right? Okay, they're trying to put some there so that they can put it right there. This is beautiful. Over there. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a special session. Destiny Ebagwa. These are the men that supported entertainment in a big way in those days. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to cut the cake. Please, all of you celebrate, just stretch your hands towards the cake. Stretch your hands towards the cake. Stretch your hands towards the cake. This is a special session. These are all February 2nd born. Alright. So stretch your hands towards the cake. Ambassador Doctor, hold the knife. Right? Yeah. So Mr. Taju Omori, thank you. Hold the knife. Hold the everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, people around the world, if you are watching, these are all February 2nd born, and they are all going to cut the cake together. We are going to spare for them love, because God is love, and love has been binding them together. We will ask that God continue to show them love in all their endeavors. Are we ready to spare love for them? Ladies and gentlemen, give me L. Give me O. Give me V. Give me E. Happy birthday. February born. Happy birthday. Ambassador Dr. Dion Osagie. CEO Hayward. Mrs. Ebagwa. Taju Omori. Adesua. The mayor. Happy birthday. All right now. All of you come to the dance floor. All of you come to the dance floor. Please tell the dance floor for them. The Queen, happy birthday, Ambassador Doctor. Chief. That's you, we're already happy Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Papa. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I don't give them 690 and I will give them again. Nothing goes back me again. Nothing is shake me again. I let my dog your father now. How the If you don't know the celebrant, that means you don't know nothing. If you don't know the celebrant, that means you don't know nothing. If that boy is here, destiny is here. Don't you say that you will. Don't you see money now? Don't you see the kind of dance that money there? No boss. Ladies and gentlemen. on your way. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. You want to you want to you want to you want shake your body, 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 we are going to be calling the celebrants one by one. So that it will not be a group stop. One by one. No more DVD dollar. No more DVD dollar. No more DVD dollar. The DVD must ladies and gentlemen, that's the CEO of DVD. The latest president of the Recreational Club. DVD. Ladies and gentlemen, Ambassador Dion, Ambassador Dr. Dion. Director. Hey. DVD, you want to sleep with me? Let's go. Hey. Ambassador Dr. Dion said, make I thank you. DVD. One, two, let's go. See money now. Give me some money day. Let's go. That's Ambassador Dion. Let's go. Give me this money day. Magic. I'm the Amos when I see you. I'm the Amos when you don't know. Hey, small young shake. Big young shake. Magic sample shake. Okay, see money now. DVD oil. President. DJ Express. Let's go. DVD oil. President of the Recreational Club. Hey, DVD sell money there. No need to complain. DVD sell money. No need to complain. Money there. The channel when they try, I'm going to do your fault. Hey. DVD, hey. DVD, you are breaking my finger. Let's go. DVD, money. Hey, Bachi. Let's go, mama. Hey, I see you. Hey, This is the president of the recreational club of International Dion. Simonina Akubawa, CEO, Body One Hotel. Ladies and gentlemen, SP Garuba, Follow me money, follow me money. Police Mutia, see Camino, see you boys now. Hey, Akuba money. Your money too much down there. Let's go. I don't know what you're doing. You're say, I'm passing down the make you flood your side. Not the only people. I ain't with the hand. Today, we want to help you. You're passing down the save money. I'm gonna be hey! If you don't know follow me, you never. You can get it for the last of the issue. You won't complete. Why you complete now? Are you really blessing? Are you the good of the blessing? You don't know. Blessing, whether blessing, or they keep blessing. If you want to bless, I will not bless you. I see this money now. It's my turn. I like it. I'm into it. I like it. I'm into it. I'm into it. I'm into it. I'm into it. Just it now.
Let's